To EventBill.com API SDK. Follow this comprehensive guide. First, understand the basics of the Bill.com API, which allows you to integrate your application with the Bill.com platform. The API provides a set of endpoints for creating, reading, updating, and deleting various objects, such as bills, invoices, and payments. Step 1. Register for a Bill.com developer account and create an application to obtain your API keys. You will receive a client ID and client secret, which are used to authenticate your API requests. Step 2. Choose your programming language and install the corresponding Bill.com API SDK. The SDK provides a set of libraries and tools to simplify the process of making API calls. For example, you can use the Bill.com API SDK for Python or Java. Step 3. Authenticate your API requests using the OAuth 2.0 protocol. You will need to redirect the user to the Bill.com authorization URL, where they will grant access to your application. After authorization, you will receive an access token, which is used to make API calls. Step 4. Use the API endpoints to create, read, update, and delete objects. For example, you can use the Create Bill endpoint to create a new bill, or the Get Invoice endpoint to retrieve an existing invoice. Be sure to check the API documentation for the available endpoints and parameters. Best practices include handling errors and exceptions, implementing logging and monitoring, and ensuring security and compliance. Use the API keys and access tokens securely, and never hard-code them in your code. In conclusion, inventing the Bill.com API SDK requires a basic understanding of the API, registering for a developer account, choosing a programming language, authenticating API requests, and using the API endpoints. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate your application with the Bill.com platform and automate various tasks and workflows.